If you're a teacher who provides special education support to math students, then at some point in your career, you've probably seen a note in a document with some vague comment like, "Student will have access to supplemental aids." Wouldn't you love to know exactly what supports your students were supposed to have access to? And wouldn't you love to have a plan to explicitly teach your students how to use that assistance? I'm Dr. Dave Johnston, and I used to be a teacher who made sure that my students had access to aids and organizers that were curated in a pretty binder placed near their desk for accessibility. But in my 20 years of working with math and special education teachers and students, I learned that those supports weren't effective until I took responsibility to show my students how to use those supports to increase their math performance. When used effectively, supplemental aids and other graphic organizers can help math students organize information, make sense of word problems, and even perform math calculations more accurately. As teachers, our role is to instruct students in the use of those graphic organizers and give them practice in their appropriate use. One way that we do that is to create scaffolded versions of the graphic organizers that use color coding or other guides to help students remember how they work. Then, once they're ready, we feather back that support so that students can effectively use a simpler graphic organizer independently, or better yet, create it for themselves whenever they need it. I've written a great book, Activating the Untapped Potential of Neurodiverse Learners in the Math Classroom. It's for math teachers who provide special education services and for special education teachers who teach math. Chapter 8 is all about graphic organizers. It includes examples of high-impact graphic organizers. It will suggest some strategies for scaffolding those graphic organizers and practical tools for helping students use them to improve their math understanding and performance. You can read all about these strategies in my book. It's available online from Amazon or Routledge. It's full of practical applications you can use with your students starting today. I hope you'll check it out now.